Hello, my name is Jian, and today in this video I will guide you how to fix the issue when you are working in the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio tool. When you want to modify the table, so after that you save it, so it will display this message. Saving change is not permitted. The change you have made requires the following table to be dropped and created. Okay, so now I will guide you how to fix. Okay, so basically this error will display when you have the install the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio on your PC, and after that, for example, I will close this one. You click on this and click on design to modify the table structure. I change it to a new type, and after that, I try to save it. It will display the error. Okay, so now you go to Tool option Designer. You uncheck the Prevent Shipping Chain that require table recreation. After that, you try to click on Save. It, yes, close it and open it again. Here you can see here the new data type of the category name is already changed. Okay, so I hope that helped, and you can see you can go to my channel. Here, I have a lot of video regarding to the SQL Server learning here, and another video regarding to learn programming language. Okay, so I hope that helped, and feel free to let me know if you have issue. Bye bye.